Hey there, I am Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com, and in today's video, I'd love to share with you a very easy but effective way of not only ranking higher inside of maps, but also achieve much higher ranking results in organic search. So this is an easy tip, it's easy to do, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step, but before I do, I need to point out ChrisPalmerMarketing.com for all of your SEO needs. Whether you want training to learn by yourself, you can go out to Mastermind. You need private one-on-one training, or you want done with you services, go to consulting. You just want everything done for you, click on services. With that out of the way, let me share with you this tip. All right, so let's say you're in a competitive market. All right, you're slacking in maps, right? Maybe your maps listing just isn't performing where you want it to be. Or on top of that, maybe your organic is starting to slide. Let me give you a very easy but massively effective way of pinpointing and targeting in on the most important citations and directory listings that you need to compete. So let's go ahead and take care of that, and not compete, to dominate. All right, so here's what you need to do. Let's say you're a car accident lawyer. You're a car accident lawyer. Better yet, you're a personal injury lawyer. All right, one of my favorite niches. It is my favorite niche. You're a personal injury lawyer, and on top of that, you're a personal injury lawyer in Philadelphia. All right, so let's go to Philadelphia. All right, the name of the app in order to change your location is called the Valentin.app Chrome extension. It's free. I get nothing for promoting it, so go use it. It's great. I use it. Now we're searching for personal injury lawyer. All right, searching from Philadelphia, we do a search, right? Now this could be your niche, whatever your niche is and whatever your location. Or I want you to think about this: if you're in a main location or a particular area, but you want to win in another area, well, do your search from that town or that city, as long as it's in about a 5 to 10 mile radius around where your actual business is. Google knows where you're at, okay? And you can generally get 5 to 10 miles pretty easily if you're doing everything right. Now, I digress. Let's keep moving forward here. So, searching from Philadelphia, personal injury lawyer. Now, what we're going to do here is you have two things. First and foremost, we'll go to the top performing page. So we have this particular web page here, or business, I should say. Let's grab their address, okay? Like this. Now, what I would do is I would search not only the top 1, 2, and 3 performers in the map packs address like this. You take a quotation mark, take quotes, put the address in, put another quote, and then do a search. This is called an advanced search operator. You see, with directories and citations, because it's duplicate content, Google only rewards so many. However, when they are very authoritative, Google rewards more. So what you want to do is you want to figure out for your niche, for your area, which citations and directories is Google deeming authoritative. See, usually you'll go out and you'll buy a pack, even from Chris Palmer Marketing. We'll do all the top ones, but we're not sitting there and trying to figure out the best for your niche and for your area. If it's your business, that's what you need to do. And you can either give us a list to build, or you could find somebody to build that specific list. We do it, or you can have your VA do it, or you could do it yourself. And what you do is you take your top competitors, 1, 2, and 3 in the map pack, and then 1, 2, and 3 in organic. You put their address in quotation marks, and then you figure out, well, which citations and which business listings is Google rewarding. And that's what you want to do here. So we can see here that VY Maps, All Biz again. On top of this, Lipkin Maps, Zobi, right? I've never even heard of these, and maybe you haven't either, but these are being rewarded by Google for this address. These are citations and directory sources that are authoritative. The more authoritative citations and directories that you can find that your competitors have, the better off you'll be, and the more you'll get indexed pointing at your asset. All right, so look at, there's 9 results here. Now you would do the same exact thing again for the number 2 ranker, not these business owners up here, but down in here. All right, here's another one: Pfeiffer, Munley, Anthony. Right? I don't know who these businesses are, but You'll search their business address, figure out their citations and directories, and make yourself a list. The next thing that you want to do is this. So we'll go back to our original search. We're searching for a personal injury lawyer in Philadelphia. We want to scroll down the page, and what we're looking for here is we need to figure out, well, who's the big winner here? So this is a big winner. So what we want to do here is we're going to search their page for an address, right? And we want to see, well, are they listed on any directory sources? So what you'll do is you'll take their name just like this. If this is their actual name, we'll copy it. We'll bring it up here. We'll put it in quotations. I know this is work, but anything worth having takes time and a lot of work to get. My name is Chris Palmer. This is how you search for authoritative citations and directory listings, all right? You can buy list packs from me, or you can send us a custom list, or you could do it yourself or send it to your own VA for less dollars, okay? But this is how you find authoritative sources. This is the step-by-step process. You can search in quotations, or you can search all in text : and then put your wording or the phone number in there. Do your searches this way. Like, look at, here's 37 that are rewarding this right here. So now it's going to be social profiles. Hint, hint. Oh, social profiles can count as, hey, social profiles are authoritative digital references, right? Massive hint for you. Anyway, my name is Chris Palmer. I hope that this has helped you out. This is how you get the most authoritative citations and business directory listings for your business, for your niche, in your location. If you have any questions about this strategy or any others, never hesitate. Feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next How to Find High Quality and Authoritative Directories and Citations video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.